transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Incidents are happening at the Boston Children's Museum with Arthur characters and cardboard stands have transformed to cartoon walking or chasing people. Another incident happened at NFPA headquarters where a figure of Sparky the fire dog was kidnapping citizens with a fire truck last seen in a Pierce-branded fire truck, model and license plate unknown. If you see any animated thing hide in your house or shelter. Transmitted at the request of the Maine Department of Transportation. A runaway fire truck has been spotted with a man in a Dalmatian costume with the kidnapped victims of employees of NFPA. Law enforcement believe the victims may be in the company of Sparky Fires. They may be traveling in a 2003 Pierce Aero XT 6-wheeler ladder unit with rust on the grille and bumper. They may be traveling to Bangor, Maine. If you have any information regarding this incident, please call Maine State Police. Transmitted at the request of the Maine Department of Transportation. The man of the runaway fire truck is not a human but a cartoon character, and law enforcement believe that he's planning to use a hose to bring a Pal Bunyan statue in Bangor, Maine to life as a cartoon character to chase and use the victims to be cartooned. Please take shelter now or in a basement to hide from being cartooned.
We're sorry for your interruption of your sleep. The following is being transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, at the request of the Governor of the State of Maine and the Bangor Police Department. This is a mandatory evacuation for all residents who live within a 30-mile radius of Bangor. A cartoonizing of Paul Bunyan has been made by the suspect Sparky Fires and will chase citizens of the city and make its way to the coast to cause widespread damage. The following counties under the mandatory evacuation are Waldo, Hancock, Kennebec, Knox, Penobscot, Summer, Sagadahoc, Lincoln, and Somerset counties. Evacuate now to Washington County, Aroostook County, or New Hampshire. Stay tuned for information. FEMA thanks you for your continued trust.
Attention parents and grandparents of young children. Have you received this special notice from Gerber Life? If not, you're urged to call
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Albany Police Department and Fire Department. Chases by the animation of statues have been reported throughout Boston, Massachusetts, Portland, and Bangor, Maine. The suspect, Sparky Fires, has sprayed the Bangor Paul Bunyan statue with some kind of magic water. The statue will be making Weston, New York 2-turn statue and billboards to life. All residents that live in the following counties are Albany, Schenectady, Schoharie, Fulton, Saratoga, Rensselaer, and Greene, New York. Anyone located within a 15-mile radius of Albany need to evacuate now. Stay tuned for further information.
Huh?
I'll say.
Well, it could be worse.